Today I am super excited to be bringing to you number 20 Maria Crescent, a home that is a cut above the rest with exceptional finishes and quality workmanship throughout. Let's go take a look. From the moment you enter, you'll notice the attention to detail the owners have taken, hand choosing each fixture and finish to create a contemporary and sophisticated blend. Here in the kitchen, the heart of the home offers Smeg appliances, stone bench tops, matte black sink, soft close cabinetry and seamless access to the entertaining deck through dual sliding doors. Or the living room, where you can soak up the views of Mount Wellington and Ralphs Bay. The accommodation has been divided into two areas, allowing for privacy. The large master retreat boasts a walk-in robe and a spacious bathroom with dual shower heads and custom cabinetry. The other two rooms at the end of the house are an ideal size with built-ins and have access to the stunning main bathroom, which features underfloor heating, seamless glass shower and gloss black bathtub. The other rooms to note are the substantial laundry with heaps of storage space and the double electric garage, which has an increased ceiling height. Outside, the entertaining deck has inbuilt speakers, which are integrated with inside, which just goes to show the level of detail and care the owners have taken. The yard has an inbuilt watering system to take the hassle out of maintenance, so you can spend your weekend relaxing and entertaining. Now I know you're probably already impressed, but this home has to be seen in person for it to really be appreciated. So make sure you head along to one of the open homes. I look forward to seeing you there.